Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to manage personnel. To add new or edit existing technicians in TechMan, hover over the Personnel tab and select All Personnel. Here we can see all existing technicians listed with the option to edit each on the right-hand side. However, let's start by adding a new technician. Click on the blue plus icon on the top left-hand side. First, select the site for the technician and enter their first and last name. A login number is required, however. This feature won't be required unless you have the advanced or pro level of TechMan. We have the option to add an hourly rate for the technician. This will now be visible when using the job cell cost and profit graphic on a job and displays via a technician column. Next, let's ensure that Show on Calendar is ticked in order to view this technician on your calendar and be able to assign labour to them. Additionally, Enabled will be ticked by default. If you'd like this technician to display on the calendar, but not necessarily factor into the availability for bookings, then you can tick Ignore Available Hours. This is great for examples where you have an owner or management that can assist with technician work, but might not be consistently available. Showing Current States will display the technician names on the right-hand side of your dashboard screen, but the features associated with this will only be apparent on the pro level of TechMan. Let's set up the personnel working hours next. We have the option to adjust the start and end time per day and the ability to copy this to the whole week. The auto checkout time is only applicable on the pro level of TechMan. On the right-hand side, we can allocate break hours or specific break times. This will display on your calendar and adjust your hours of availability accordingly. Once you're happy with the setup, simply scroll down and click Save to confirm. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.